my name is Thea. I'm a part of the FRC Team 5024, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make your very own tape runner. What you'll need for this activity is a tape roll and tape, a marker, a straw, a pair of scissors, 2 wooden skewers, and a piece of paper. Step 1 for this activity, you're going to want to take your marker and your paper and draw out your 2 feet. As you can see, I decided to draw 2 paws, but you can do any kind of feet that you want. You can even trace your own. You can play around and have fun with it. Once you're done drawing them out on your piece of paper, you're going to want to cut them out. Okay, now that I'm done cutting out my 2 paws, I'm going to put them aside and start working on the body. So for this part, you're going to want to grab your tape roll and your 2 wooden skewers, and you're going to tape them to opposite sides of each other and at different heights. So it should look something like this. Okay, now you're going to grab your paws or your feet that you made earlier. You're going to flip it to the back side where there's no marker. You're going to grab your straw and cut it into 2 equal pieces. You're going to take the one piece and you're going to tape it down on the one paw and repeat for the other. Make sure that one straw is facing the left direction and one is facing the right. Okay, for your final step, you're going to want to take your feet and the body and you're going to slide the straw into the skewer. And there you go, here's the final product. And now I'll show you a few clips of it. Catch us next time, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to check out our platforms. Have a great day.